Hello my lovely friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna. I'm coming to you today with very quick inspiration. I will be creating Christmas tags. I'm working with Crafter Workshop and Ken's Oliver watercolor paper, and I've cutted the tags into the size I thought it will be just a right size for adding to the present. So I will create 4 tags for you today. And you can take this idea away because it's literally just taking a few minutes and you can create an absolutely beautiful tag. So I will be working with new watercolor powders, which is a Color Sparks created with Ken's Oliver and Crafter Workshop's collaboration. And the set I've chose is 9058, and the color I will be working with is called Terry Verte. So I'm activating my pigment on the palette with a bit of the water, and then I will directly spritz a little bit of the water on my tag. As you can see, a little bit of powder went into my tag, which also creates an absolutely beautiful effect. So I'm taking a very large brush and just dipping into my pigment and adding here and there onto my watercolor tag. Look how beautiful effect we are receiving by playing like this. The second one, I'm just going to spritz a little bit of water and just create lines with my pigment. There we go. And then the third one, I will spritz a little bit of water and just in few places transfer the pigment. Spritz a little bit of water again and then move it around so my pigment will nicely mix and will flow in places where I want. The fourth one, I'm just going directly with my pigment onto my dry tag. This technique is called wet to dry. And then I will spritz a little bit of water on top and my pigment nicely mixing together. So I'm going to move my palette to the side for time being, and I will dry my tags. Please make sure that you dry each layers nicely, and that way you can layer a couple of layers on top of each other. So the transition, the pigment between the layers will nicely create a beautiful texture, which you will just see in one moment. So I will go and play in twice, creating splatters with the pigment, the same one what I've used with creating a background like so. And then I will move on and create a beautiful texture. So for time being, when I'm playing like this, I'm just going to leave you with the music on, and I will meet you in one moment when we will be creating texture using modeling paste. So here they are. Look how gorgeous they look. Now I will be working with this stencil, which is 719, and I will transfer this beautiful sentiment Merry Christmas onto my tag. I also will be working with Creation Gold modeling paste, and the number is 9027. So as you can see, I've got a bit of a washi tape, and I'm attaching my stencil onto my tag directly. So when I will be adding a texture, my stencil will not move, so will create a nice and crispy impression. And also, because the sentiment is right at the edge of the stencil, it prevents for me to go over with the modeling paste. So there we go. One of my tags is ready. So I will go away and create the 3 more tags, and we'll meet you in just 1 second. So here they are. All 4 tags are ready. I hope you like this quick and easy tutorial. I hope you will be able to grab your Crafty Workshop goodies, what you might already have on the stash. If you don't have them, it may be just one of your Christmas wishes what you wanted. So that's everything from me for you today, my beautiful friends. Thank you so much for stopping by, and once again I would like to wish you a very Merry Christmas, even though the times are so difficult and so hard. Till the next time, my beautiful friends. Bye for now.